Meghalaya on Tuesday witnessed the inauguration of the program for PM Swanidhi beneficiaries under the Rashtriya Udyamita Vikas Pariyojana, a pilot project of the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. This program was simultaneously inaugurated at Bhopal, Kanpur, Indore, Varanasi, Bharatpur, Silchar, Dibrugarh and Guwahati virtually. Speaking to the media, Banshai Marbanyan said the scheme is mainly for the street vendors. Many of the vendors in Shillong do not know how to get this assistance. Speaking to one of the beneficiaries, he said this scheme has helped him a lot. He also informed that he came to know about this scheme from the Shillong Municipal Board.
Thank you very much. Today you have seen here, my name is Banshai Marbanyan. This scheme is mainly purpose for the street vendors. As you have seen during these days, many of the street vendors here in the state of Meghalaya, especially in Shillong. That's why we are bringing the scheme from the Ministry of Skills and Development, and also from the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs from the Government of India. Street vendors during these days, they're having lots of problems, especially during their families. In their families, they feel a lot of issues.
So this scheme has helped me a lot. So I got a third term loan, that is the amount of 50,000. And I got the information regarding this scheme from the Shillong Municipal Board. So when I was searching for ways on how to get funds to grow my business, so that's when I came across this scheme. I went to the Shillong Municipal Board and I asked them if there's any help that I can get to grow my business, any funds that are available. So they introduced me to this PM Swanidhi scheme. So I'm very thankful to the Shillong Municipal Board and also the government of Meghalaya and the government of India as well,